little bumpy there. Look at this on the GPS, how windy this is going up there. That's crazy. Oh man, this is really tight. We are pretty high up here right now. This is where we win. Yeah. First place. Alrighty, we're about to go up this toge, the Fuji toge. Don't know exactly what it's called. What's it called again? The
Fuji Gogome.
Yeah, Fuji Gogome. So yeah, we're gonna hit this toge and head out. Should be a very interesting hill. I've never gone up it, so we'll see. You can see the beautiful Fuji Mountain up there, up ahead. Pretty cool view. Perfect weather today, which is awesome. It's very rare that you get the opportunity to see the snow on the mountain and also not have clouds. You know, in the summer you can see the mountain, right? But there's no snow up there because it's the summer. But in the winter, you know, a lot of times you'll have clouds because it's constantly snowing or raining, you name it. And we're not even in the winter anymore. We're in May and there's still snow. I mean, we're actually in the middle of May right now and there's still snow. So that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, we're having the opportunity to drive this beautiful toge road up this amazing mountain. Supposedly there's a little bit of snow up top, so we'll see if there, well, at least on this road, but if there is any on this road, we'll turn back around. But right now, we're gonna enjoy toge driving. Mount Fuji. Third gear run, pretty much the whole way. Unless there's some really sharp corners where I can downshift a second, but I think for the most part, we're gonna be third gear this whole time. A little bumpy right there. Loving the way the car handles. Right now I have HKS Hypermax coilovers on the car, and I also have a Mines strut tower brace up front. Oh, a little bumpy there. But the suspension is holding it really well. Even with the bumps, it's not like bottoming out or anything. Obviously the car is, we got the car sitting really high, it's not low. I think if we were low, we'd be bottoming out and scraping a whole bunch right now. But since we got it higher because of these type of roads, when you're doing the togeys and stuff, it actually works really well for the car. We almost got this car at rally car height. When I bring it to the US, I'll drop it down some more, but for right now, we'll just keep it where it's at. But the road is nice and flowing, a little bouncy, a little bit rougher than the first part when we were coming up here to get to the entry point of this toge. No one's on, this is perfect toge day. No one's literally on the road, which is awesome. A little bit of understeer right there. It's good to know, so that I don't understeer into a curb. Got a motorcycle rider coming down. And just as fun as it is going up, it's fun coming down too as well. We're not beaming through here at all. Obviously, you want to keep it safe, so we're not going to be going crazy speeds, but still getting the opportunity to enjoy the toge, see what it's about. Yeah, look at this on the GPS, how windy this is going up there. That's crazy. That's crazy. A little bit wetter up here, so then we'll watch it a little bit. Downshift a second, going up here. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna do a little bit of gear shifting. I'm not really going wide open throttle too, by the way. I'm gonna go part throttle the whole way up here. Once again, we're gonna keep it nice and easy and safe and fun. And you know, you don't know if there's bystanders, you know, watching or walking or hiking, you name it. This be a nice time to go to second. Yeah, it's gonna get really windy. Go to second again right here, so you can climb this steeper part. Wow, gets a little bit steep right there. You definitely need second gear to power out of it. You might have to stay in second gear for a while. feel what this thing feels like going up the tight hill. Definitely does what it needs to do. Front end is planted the way it needs to be planted. Oh man, this is really tight. I think there's a lot of steering angle there. Definitely don't want to understeer. We don't want to start pushing the fronts because that's all bad. The car's not going to oversteer here because we don't have a ton of power. It's all-wheel drive, and we're not really powering out. It's saying, man, that's almost like a first gear corner right there. It's gonna be bumpy. Huh? Oh yeah, it gets tighter as we start going. Yeah, we'll be in second gear. We might have to downshift the first a couple times. We'll see. We got a hiker right there with his bike. That's the thing, you gotta watch out on these roads here. You don't want to be beaming up here too fast or anything like that. You got people who are hiking, biking, all that stuff. Okay, I can finally go to third gear. It's almost like you need like a rally cross, like, you know, passenger to kind of give you notes on the road so you can just focus on the road, because it gets so, this would be such a fun rally stage, but these curbs, if you make a mistake, that's it. Should have downshifted a second before that corner, but I didn't. All right, oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. I love this road. This is so cool. Oh, I shifted to fourth. Did I shift to fourth? Oh no. Oh no. I should have shifted to second. Or sorry, first on that one. Didn't have enough power to come out of there. And some of these corners are like first gear style corners, unless you got more power. Now, obviously, if I have like an extra 200 horsepower, so that'd probably make it a little bit easier on this slower speed corner, so I can just keep it in second. Or if you just had different gearing, like, you know, the gearing from an R34 GT-R and the 34 with this 6-speed, then it would make it even easier to get through something like that. Some people do that. A little bumpy up here. On the brake, downshift. I'll go to first one this time. Finally, let's try first gear. First gear again. I like this first gear. It helps you get out of the corner better. Downshift to first again. Alright, downshift to first again. It's getting a lot tighter now. Should have went to second before that corner. Been so used to being in the lower gears already, I forgot I was in third. We were picking up a little bit of speed. Now I'm in first. Military. Lovely, lovely, lovely Toge Road. beautiful view. We caught that car finally. Yeah, we just caught him. Man, that's pretty nice coming up this hill. How high are we? Oh my God, we're high. Like, wasn't even paying attention. Obviously, I couldn't, but we are pretty high up here right now.
Yeah, enjoy the scenery.
Yeah, now let's just enjoy the scenery. No more bombing up the Toge, Mount Fuji Toge. He's starting to bomb it a little bit now. Downshift a second here. This is more of a first gear corner, but it's all good. Or almost to the top? Yeah. All right, I can't believe we caught him. Oh, he's good. Man, we are high up here. Smell a tire? Because we've been using it. Yeah, I'll go slower. We're almost here at the top. Yeah. Does that mean go around? Parking's up top there. We are up here. We are high. It's probably gonna get. Oh yeah, there's a little snow here. Oh my gosh! Look, you can see Mount Fuji right here. So this is the park. Is this it? Oh, keep going? Okay. Wow. Yeah. It's chilly too. And is this completed course? Do we win the game? This is where we win?
Yeah.
First place? Yeah. Toge completion. Toge completion. Right through here. Wow. What a run.
Right. We can go up a little bit more.
Is there more to go
I
up?
think so.
Okay.
Oh yeah, go over there.
Yeah.
I think there's a restaurant or something.
Wow. Okay, this starts going back down.
Okay.
So we're here.
Stop here.
Yeah, we'll stop right here. Wow. Awesome. Toge completion, guys. Toge completion.